It's my pleasure here to talk about the 2 year master's program that we offer at the University of Bergen. It's a very boringly called master program in system dynamics and offered by the system dynamics group, which is a group of three permanent faculty and varying numbers of postdocs and PhDs. The structure of the System Dynamics Master Program at the University of Bergen is such that you study for 2 years, and out of the 4 semesters that the master program lasts, there are 3 semesters with coursework and a fourth semester that is dedicated to the master thesis. So you essentially hop on this train that takes you through the master journey. And there are very few stops. You better get along with your classmates because you're in this together for better or worse. The 3 semesters where we offer courses are all have some more or less overarching theme. You start the master program with the first semester where we offer 3 foundational courses, all of them taught as block courses. So you get immersed with one professor and one course for 6 weeks, and then you move on. It's a very, very structured journny. So the first semester is really dedicated to the foundations of the system dynamics modeling process. In semester 2, we apply those foundations in various ways. So we apply them more for policy design and analysis. We also offer a course on analytical methods and advanced modeling. And at the very end of the first year, we challenge students with the client-based modeling project, where we bring in clients from outside the university who have heard about system dynamics, don't know how to do it, but want a solution to a not very clearly formulated problem. So that's the big finale of the first year. The third semester is more of a specialization semester, where we look into how we can communicate system dynamics models in the form of interactive learning environments. And we also offer a course where we study dynamic complexity through decision experiments. And we start working on the master thesis with the writing course and the project description. The admission requirements to the master program in system dynamics at the University of Bergen are that you need to have a bachelor program, that you need to have a completed bachelor, pretty much irrespective of your disciplinary background. But when you look at the master thesis projects, yes, we do see there is a pretty broad spread, but you can also see some concentrations of or themes like environment and sustainability that makes up for a big chunk. Then we have thesis looking into social issues, some business, really not our strength. We have some public health and psychology, and more methodological thesis that either look into learning or other methodological issues. This slide is just what I keep observing from enthusiasts who start the master program and then realize that it's tough. Our program focuses on what Inge said, that if you only want to do modeling, we do only quantitative modeling. And so you don't need a university degree in math, but you really need to brush up on high school algebra, or otherwise it's really, really tough. It's also, we offer a full-time master program, and we often have very ambitious students who think that it's a great idea to have a full-time job on the side. It can be done, but I really wouldn't. We offer the entire master program hybrid, so we stream and record all our lectures and labs. It's possible to take the full degree online, but I mean, we all know how COVID was. It's possible, but probably not desirable. We're in the middle of this year's recruitment process. For some reason, we have 3 different application deadlines. We have an application deadline that has already passed for citizens from outside the European Union. Coming up March 1st is the application deadline for citizens from within the European Union, and Nordic citizens and applicants residing in Norway can wait all the way until April 15 with applying. Saddens me to say that Norway also found it important to introduce tuition fees. As of today, citizens from within the European Union and Nordic citizens or applicants residing in Norway do not pay tuition fees, but we compensate this with really hefty tuition fees from citizens from outside the European Union. The admission requirements are, as I said, a bachelor's degree with a minimum grade requirement that takes some very creative international wrangling to determine whether you actually correspond to an average grade of a Norwegian C, which is of course not the same as any other C. And as the program is offered in English, you also need to document proficiency in English, and there's lots of information available about that online. And I'll end with a slide that you've seen before. If you have any questions, need more information, let us know. If they're about the application process, please do not talk to me. Please talk to the study or to the admissions office. Thank you.